What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your playbook in Madden NFL 26 while playing franchise mode. There are a couple of places where you can do it. The first spot is on the home screen. Head into manage team, then open team schemes. In that menu, you'll see both your offensive and defensive schemes, and right below them, the playbooks you are currently using. You can switch to any of the standard playbooks from here. Sometimes though, if you are using a custom playbook, it might not show up in that menu. If that happens, there is another way to make the change. Go into a season game and I'll just load into a full game here. Before you actually start playing, open advanced settings. You'll see your playbook options again, and this section usually includes your custom playbooks as well. This method also helps if you change your playbook in the manage team menu and it didn't update. In most cases, selecting it from the advanced settings screen before a game fixes the issue, and that's all you need to do. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.